Welcome to the part 3 of this tutorial, and in part 3 we will learn basics and how to scaffold the app. So if you have not seen my previous video, I request you to see part 1 introduction, where I have told you how to install, how to get started with the things. So in this part I will tell you how to again restart everything, our process. So you have to go to your project where you have your project installed. So in OS or C folder, go to the new project or whatever name you have given, India Fight Corona, enter, and right click here and open with code. So it will take you to the brand new instance of our code. And last time we run our code, so I will run without debugging, and I will start my device which we created in the last video or last part. So that AVD will be launched here shortly, and once it is launched, take it to the right side of the screen and your VS Code on the left side of the screen. So it will take little bit time to start, but no worries. So in today's lesson we are going to start coding, and this is the terminal. You can close it if you want, or you can retain. We need it a little bit, but not right now. So our code is launching, yeah, running Gradle task. It will take little bit time. Please remember that this takes usually 3 to 5 minutes for launching. So you should have patience for that. And once it is started, then there is no need, because it is continuous process. Hot restart is there, so everything is set up, everything is in place. Just starting will take little bit time. For that much you have some little bit patience. Now I will uncomment everything, or I will delete this all this green. So these greens are comment, and how do you comment? It is by having two backslash like this. Okay, so these are the comments. Now I will tell you what are the things you should delete and what are the things we are not requiring. Let me see why my app is not running. Yeah, it is installing. Okay, so you have to switch on or power on your device. That is does not happen usually, but okay, you can click on this and your device will lit up. So here we go, our app is installing. Once it is installed, I will tell you what to remove from this code and from where to start, and what are the basics, or what things we are going to start with. So this synchronizing all this data with the application, and it will show you on the screen. And it takes 3 to 5 minutes. I already told you. So once you connected your device, or once your code is on to this device, Android virtual device, you should usually do a lot of things at a time, because every time you are going to start and every time it will take you time. Or you can have this on your real device. That is little bit faster on real device, and usually it is very fast. So we got this code. Now what I will tell you is this: you can completely delete. Look, from this class my home page, you can completely delete this. Yeah, completely deleted. Now in place of home, just write let's say text, and write hello. Don't do anything, just this is the starting step. And now press Ctrl S. File, Save shortcut is Ctrl S, so we will use Ctrl S from now onwards. So if you save, look, hello, and this is the starting, or this is the basic from where we will start. Now what I want to tell you is, this is the Flutter material.dart. So this is the Dart file. Dart is nothing but a programming language developed by Google a long back, and this material Dart is the file we are using, or we are importing that file, and all these functions are defined like home, primary swatch, title, theme, all these are defined in this material.dart. If I deleted this, or if I commented this, everything will be error. Look, everything, whatever you are seeing, that error, that has been defined in this file. So if I uncomment that, that error will be gone. So this is the starting stage of our app. Now quickly let me tell you, this is the class my app. So class is nothing but it is a collection of all the data types and your methods. So my app is the class which extends stateless widget. So stateless and stateful, these are the two parts of widget. We will come to that later. And this is the root widget of your application. So every time your app runs, this code or this root widget will come into the picture. Build is the method, and build is nothing but, if I change hello to hello Ganesh, so if I save Control S, look, now hello Ganesh. So this build method will run again. This build method will run again to display this text. So this is the structure you will see, and no one will like this app. So we have to do a scaffolding, and scaffold is default class which has been defined in material.dart, and we'll use that. Look, scaffold. And let me tell you, we have installed extension. So if I type S, even if I type S and little bit, yeah, SC, scaffold, so it will by default give you that. And I have not tried anything, only scaffold, and you'll see the changes. Just save it. Yeah, look, now that screen gone, that black screen gone, and you got the brand new screen stating that this app is going to start. So white screen is by default in the scaffold. Of course, you can change the background color and everything. You can see background color option is there. So if I click on background color, colors dot, let's say colors dot amber, save, and you will see that amber color appears here. So this is the beauty, and what we are doing, we are restarting. Hot restart option is there for restarting the app, and Control S option is there. Okay, so if I change this control dot blue, and if I hot restart, then sorry, I have to save my code. So I save the code, and this become blue. Hot restart will be used when you are doing some changes into the code, which will affect the functionality, not this appearance. So you have to press Ctrl S for effects to take on. So what we are going to learn is nothing but this scaffold, and scaffold will bring into the picture all the visual effects into the app. So moving next, or moving further, we will use all these options, no doubt, but this is the background color. I will just comment this. Okay, and we will start with the basic white color. Now, what are all the features of this scaffold? I will write down, and we'll start with that. With that, our third part is going to finish, and I will stop here.